pore umboro ase chinguru chirase campaign ye team yo musike daktari.
Oh yes.
Maite Matilda. You know, honestly, the African politics get a lot of energy, physical energy. Ayo mwenye niko available. Because tell me, onye insako cha Getembe ga. Onsariko tukole kigambo tukole kona ndenge nande njigo cha December.
Ya ntaba okueba.
No nyina mangana atwara kukwana omuriro uri twara kunyakwandira nabo koraki nabo chinguru chikoera. Namba ibere oburai dictates that lazima ayo manyana oru direction which is abantu tetu kuambira. Now let me tell you, Mosque Fred had chance in 2022. He was a major kingmaker in this region. Abagambia bange bagambete including abakomopinga nzali wabona otokote banike ene wana including abajumbe barobisi abandi bagopinga Dr. Fred nero bakonyete bakanyarali bagari okoraki legal office some point tukanyora barayaba ya some point equally tukanyora barayaba be in 2024 tukanyora challenge as a county Nyamira as almost kama Matiang'i amenyete we had a challenge aba MCA bakatwara challenge no speaker mo speaker oyo was a member of the UPA party whereby what affiliation no Mosque Fred. I expected Mosque Fred koru direction, proper direction. Atebe ba MCA wants to mera mwana mara basa kumi. Tunywe chai mo ngereza na inchi buna ngele we no momenyi ngayo mokongo bakataki. Ore. A solve issue. Mo speaker went home, was impeached. Ikaleta a more serious crisis. Nkwa rachi sekichiko Nyamira no mo governor. Chika spill over to regime across the country. Posoko. Come to Kisii County. We've had the current governor having issues with Omo women rep, with Omo senator, with our Jumbe. And we've had a terrible infight for the longest. What do leaders do? They stand in, ask to give direction. Because that is the cost you buy. So tata Monzaliko, abantu 1000 na batogo chayu. If we cannot handle affairs yitonka, give me a reason nga itogo chikonya energy between, for example, Mosque Fred etimi ya ekoruani mo governor rat no mo governor nyali na ko batwara on the table ngerekere rais.
Let me ask you.
Umurai ase ngenjori bori rialinge kurwa sense moyane na ko goteba buna bono twatwarire gose ase amatuka magiga crisis kiabira se serikali ya county ya Nyamira no bono county assembly na boigo kurigirira serikali ya county ya Kisii kwanyoranga chigapu nchirora mangana ayubrai iko Dr. Fred Matiang'i nere andake ofeli lyo mugusi asinginjo yogota beko kwa
itiriko Rwanda ofeli lyo mugusi. We expect direction. Look at what our leaders are doing. Ekero, for example, case kilikia Machakos kwa aba basaibanda mana oyo mo batarakanu chibeze nkyo musikalo nzakora even went to hospital korora samikyo na koru opinion yana koteba ingane baligie an amicable way ekoera. That is why kwa family iliyo munyaruko iliyo involved bana kwa that is exactly leadership. Another form yuborai gotiga ekere crisis kire na yuborai bokoreka to ko bomorai ekere crisis itakoreki gitayo. Look at the team ya Shabananka. Tell me a day almost Dr. Freddy abokiro tebire igalero Shabananga imwate amogo Mombasa na nje no. But our very own even head of state president the late almost Raila could go RH match Chiagor Maya a support team, have a part of the team Achabake stadium. Aba uzimba imoka ga onzarigo bakaenda Mombasa egame ya Shabana ya lenge Mombasa tata kurusaine bakatera Matiang'i streets cha Mombasa kurusaine cha mambi egame ke kadisa 8. I expected that na alikuwa in the inner circle yo Mosque Dr. Fred yani alikuwa imokia ndege kwa Nairobi ka echopa na kwa Warali Mombasa korok solidarity so that you control your base karo abantu bawe kana SMS in the national structure yatoka abantu bawo korunka mbale satisfied nga we are okay. Again to bwata Matilda liswa ilia kwa boria abantu bwate bimonyo boboete gocha buna nachire Getembe okwana that there is a problem and a gap as oburai bwagusi because our own son has not put your kapoko kwaye as at energy ekyo mwali omanya gokwera ndio nsaligo obodi swali yao. We having for example president gocha gusi on Sunday yara ko banenga kyo Mosque Raila Odinga alinga moya anga hara liaba jumbe Pons P mba miziki event ya president so that basabe ebintu biri bira constituency cyabo abarai bonsi bari gocha baumere rise irrespective of ngambare nere usembali nere. That is what other leaders are doing. Kwa roche karomo president ekwana bokamba bakaba governor bari bara affiliated no Mosque Kalonzo they there. Now look at our own region. Boni gaba abarai baita ndako spuna muntu yugagocha mutiga kwane go mcherende go bando mozo akabaka agende then ngo gochi gosabe bintu. If for example, president is not coming for constituency, why? Because my member of parliament was not there.